Hello, today we will guide you through how to send Zoom meeting invite with Gmail. To begin, open the Zoom app and make sure you're on the home screen where your meetings are listed. This is where you can quickly find any meeting you've already scheduled. If you've scheduled a meeting in advance, it should appear in your upcoming meetings section. Next, look for the sample scheduled meeting or whichever meeting you want to send to someone by email. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct meeting, especially if you have more than one upcoming event. This helps avoid sending the wrong meeting details. Once you've found the meeting, click on the three-dot menu associated with it. This menu gives you access to more options for managing that meeting. It's a small step, but it's where you'll find the action needed to share the invite information. From that menu, click on Copy Invitation. Zoom will copy the full meeting invitation to your clipboard. This usually includes the meeting title, date and time, meeting link, meeting ID, and any passcode information that attendees may need. Copying the invitation is the fastest way to make sure all the meeting details are included accurately. After that, go to Gmail. Open your inbox and get ready to create a new message. Using Gmail is a simple way to send the invitation directly to one or more people. In Gmail, click Compose in the top left area of the screen. A new email window will appear. This is where you'll create the message that contains your Zoom meeting invite. Now paste the invitation into the main message text box. Since you copied the details directly from Zoom, the information should appear exactly as needed. It's a good idea to quickly review the pasted content so you can make sure the meeting information looks complete and readable before sending it. Finally, enter the recipient's email address in the To field so the invitation goes to the right person. If needed, you can add multiple recipients, but make sure all addresses are correct before sending. At this point, your Zoom meeting invitation is ready to go through Gmail. That's all there is to it. By copying the invitation from Zoom and pasting it into a Gmail message, you can quickly share meeting access details in a clear and reliable way.